Today, we will guide you on how to split an invoice among multiple businesses in Docyt. Log into your Docyt account by visiting app.docyt.com. Once you're in, navigate to the top header menu and click on Expense Management. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Accounts Payable and then click on Invoice Queue. Find the invoice you want to distribute. Click the Amount button on the right side of the Invoice Queue row. Among the options displayed, click on Split Invoice. Now, choose Split Invoice across businesses. Decide how you want to split the expense, by percentage or amount. Click the corresponding blue dollar or percentage button at the top right of the Split category screen. Use the Add Split button to add more lines for additional businesses, departments, or accounts as needed. For each line, select the business and, if necessary, the department. Then, choose the correct chart of account. Specify the amount and add a description for future reference. Once all information is entered, hit the blue Save button. Your receipt is now expertly split. And there you have it. The invoice is now allocated accurately across multiple businesses.